You may know ne pas to turn an affirmative sentence into a negative one. But there are other ways to use negative sentences in French coming up. Hello, my friend. My name is Claire, and I am here to teach you French with a smile. So, listen carefully. You can use ne pas, ne plus, ne jamais, ne rien. Different variations within negative sentences. Ne pas is not. Ne plus is not anymore. Ne jamais is never. Ne rien is not anything. Let's repeat together, my friend. Ne pas, ne plus, ne jamais, ne rien. I'm going to give you an example. Nous ne sommes pas grands. We are not tall. Encore une fois, once again, nous ne sommes pas grands. So ne and pas are like a frame around the verb. They frame the verb. Keep in mind that if it is a composed tense where the verb is two parts, an auxiliary and a past participle, then the pas is going to be in between. But right now we are in a beginner lesson. We focus on the present tense. So ne pas around your verb. Let's repeat together. Ensemble. Nous ne sommes pas grands. Very good. Now, ne plus. So this is the same thing like ne pas. It's a frame around the verb. Vous ne buvez plus de limonade. You do not drink lemonade anymore. Encore une fois. Vous ne buvez plus de limonade. Ensemble. Vous ne buvez plus de limonade. Very good. Now, to use never, we can use ne and jamais around the verb. It's not just jamais on its own, like we have in English. Here, we have ne and jamais like a frame around the verb. Ils ne vont jamais à la piscine. They never go to the swimming pool. Encore une fois, ils ne vont jamais à la piscine. Notice the liaison between jamais and à. Together, repeat with me, my friend. Ils ne vont jamais à la piscine. Very good. The last one is ne rien, not anything. And again, it's a frame around the verb. Ne rien. Ils ne comprennent rien. They do not understand anything. Encore une fois, ils ne comprennent rien. Not comprenant, comprennent. Ensemble, ils ne comprennent rien. Yes, very good. And you, my friend, understood everything, I'm sure. If not, I'm here for one-to-one lessons on Preply. The link is below. If you don't like me, there are tons of French tutors on the platform, so go check it out. If you need the slides that I created and used in the video for you, go over to the website frenchwithasmile.net. And I see you very soon on French with a Smile. Bye-bye!